soul of the streets, from the belly of the beast. Kids are running from police. Whoop whoop. Sound of the soul of the streets, from the belly of the beast. Kids are running from police. Whoop whoop. They're on a paper trail. Some say the roots of evil. The way they hunt the money down like they're possessed by demons that make them wrongs. Should they ask forgiveness? We adapt to our surroundings. Every man's gotta make his living, all about survival. Trust me, lad, they're ready willing. They think they're ready willing till that steady hand quiver, battling the pillar. No sleep, no lights in the window. It's just them thoughts that linger that keeps the man from slumber. No wonder that this life throws a blunder. Unhumble, we smiling when we see the next man under. Without it rain and thunder, looking down at the punters. Other people take the brunt, we've had enough of nothing bloodly. Sound, it's the soul of the streets, from the belly of the beast. Kids are running from police. Whoop whoop. Sound of the soul of the streets, from the belly of the beast. Kids are running from police. I walk through me streets, I'm seeing kids in every corner smoking weed while avoiding police. From the belly of the beast. Silver skins with the haze in the air and it's stinking the streets. Subbies weak in a piss. Dealers and debtless, council estate living. Everybody take risks. Broken streetlights, windows are smashed. Hoodies on the graph, bikes are plowing through the path. And you can get a weed from nearly any other gaff. People pulling out the blades, using weapons like a staff. Some are clever, some are sick, some are that. Full of dog shit, rubbish and bloodstains on the path. Sound, it's the soul of the streets, from the belly of the beast. Kids are running from police. Whoop whoop. Sound of the soul of the streets, from the belly of the beast. Kids are running from police. Whoop whoop. I'm from a place where life is like a sentence. Middle-aged fellas drinking Stellas on the benches. Motorbikes are ripping round, kids are hopping fences. If they ever get in man, and I will show them what the fence is. We got them officers with open warrants. I see them searching for the seeds, and I ain't talking about torrents. So fuck a backstabber, I'm fuck a bad blagger. Round here lad, no one wear a bandana. It's black valleys and black hoods and black gloves. It's far round here, I ain't talking about studs. And the stench in the air is the scent of the buzz. Stay loyal, don't talk then lad, it's all good.